I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Hello lovely people, on today's video is about crunches build up the abdominal muscles over time but can cause significant back pain for beginners. If you do not incorporate crunches into your workout routine, it's best to start off with a set of 10 to 25 at a time and add another set as you get stronger. Before I continue, please do well to like, share and subscribe. Subscribing to this channel will always keep you updated but will never harm you. This is how crunches is done correctly. Lie down on your back, bend your legs and stabilize your lower body. Cross your hands to opposite shoulders or place them behind your ears without pulling on your neck. Lift your head and shoulder blades from the ground. Exhale as you rise. Lower returning to your starting point. Inhale as you lower. The secret to this workout is that you have to let your back get the C shape, which means you are hitting hard on your core, which will build your six packs in a short possible time. It is best to start off with a set of 10 to 25 at a time and add another set as you get stronger. And the other one is reverse crunches. The reverse crunch is a variation of the traditional crunch. During this exercise, your abs have to work to bring your knees to your chest and to resist the downwards motion of returning your feet to the floor. Slowing down the exercise is an easy way to make it more harder for you. How many reps and sets do I have to do? Try to do 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 20 repetitions. And this is how the reverse one is done correctly. Lie down on a mat or other soft surface with your feet flat on the floor and bend your knees at 90 degrees. Rest your hands with palms down along your sides for balance. Brace your abs and exhale as you raise your knees towards your chest. Try to keep your knees at about more than 100 degrees throughout the movement. Stop the crunch when your hips come off the ground but your back is still in contact with the mat. Pause for a moment and return to the starting position. The secret to this is that you raise your body till only upper back remain on the floor, and you see to it that from your glute to your back get the C shape. It's not easy to do it, but do it little by little. Even if you are able to raise above where you normally reach, that's the secret. We have a lot of related content that you can check for more content like this. We drop content every weekend. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. As you subscribe, you always get updated, and commenting also help us to create future content that will help you. Thanks for watching. I'll be happy to see you again. Bye for now.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind.